G'day guys, these earlier Sky Active, like this one's the last of the three. It's a 2013 of the JMO BL. With the iStop, it's a little bit different to the new ones. Just basically hold the iStop button. So after you change the battery, if the iStop light's flashing orange, hold the iStop button and start the car. And it'll be like that. And now push it again. Like hold it for 2 seconds and it'll go green. So hold the iStop button, start the car. Don't do the other one where it's like hold it and do it and push it 5 seconds after you turn the key, right? The iStop's now reprogramming and it'll be fine. There we go. So hold the iStop button. Turn the key, it'll be orange, push it again, 1, 2, long press, and that's it. All right, mate, good to go.